What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are looking at a watch repair. This is for an Accurist. Hang on a second. An Accurist watch. MB310. I'm not sure. Okay, so the battery that it has in here is the SR621SW, and I have that replacement battery here. Difficult to read, but it is that same battery. So what I need to do is I need to take the old battery out, if it wants to come out. So there's the old battery there, and let's put in the new one. Whoa. Yep. Hang on, let me put the it's not sitting as nicely as I want. Just gonna use this to press it in. I don't think that is fully in. That is the same watch battery. Okay, I'm just going to pop this out again. Okay, just need to get it to sit under that lip. No. Oh, that's the thing with dealing with small batteries. They are like missiles. Connection is okay because we do have the winding hands. This is definitely the same. Okay, it is slightly bigger, or I mean slightly taller, maybe by 1 millimeter, but that would make a huge difference. I'm going to put the watch base back on. Just gonna just tighten this with the ball. Okay. All right. Looks good. The hands work. The date just popped there. I just want to see if the date, single click. The date does work. So here we have it. A functioning Accurist watch. So just replacing it with the, it's hard to read off the battery, but it is the same battery. SR621SW. This is the Accurist. I think the model is MB310. These are old watches, so I'm not entirely sure. The clasp is the unique clasp with a, it's not a pin, but it's a flat pin, which has a divot. And it's not too bad putting it back in. You could get away with not using watch tools. The problem with this is just lining it up. And also the disclaimer, I am not a professional watchmaker or watch repair specialist. As you see in my previous videos, I'm just a hobbyist. I need something. Hang on. That is definitely. Oh, no. That is the only way it goes. Let me try just use force. There we have it. So I just used the soft mallet, rubber mallet, and just put the divot in there. And this watch is not for me, but there we have it. A watch that just needs a battery replacement. There we have it. That is the Accurist. I'm not sure what series it is. Let's see if this bezel still works here. Oh my god, it doesn't. That's supposed to move. Yeah, that doesn't move. I used a lot of strength there. Okay, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.